gives me some dimensions. Omar, how big should my base be and what is it?
A square that has a side of 3.
Very good. A square that has a side of 3. Nice job. All right, now look on your paper, and Angela, can you tell me what the height is of that?
3 centimeters.
3 centimeters, very good. Hannah, where should I put the sides? Because the sides are going to form the height.
Draw them out by each side of the square.
Good, very good. So I can put them like this. And Paul, how tall did I want those to be? Did I use the right ones?
3 centimeters.
3, very good, very good. Gerardo, what's missing? Excellent, the top of the box, good. So the top of the box, I'm going to place maybe here. Does that sound good? Now, what I've created, it'll look nice if I put this straight down. What I've created is what we call a net for the box. All right, now I already had made one up that has the little, it has a little attachment to it. And so what we're going to do, I gave you all tape and scissors. You're going to actually create this little box, like so. And we want the top on it, but don't tape the box closed because we're going to be filling it up. Okay, so you're going to make this box with it being open. All right. So now you're not going to do this one. You'll watch. I'll finish this one, and then I'll set you loose. So. Adrian, how can I find the area of these pieces? Okay, good. That's certainly one way I can do it. I can count up the squares. So, for example, in this piece, I know I have 9 little squares. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Squares of 9 should be 54. Can someone tell me another way of doing that? Ashley.
Find the area of the rectangle.
Very good. I could find the area of each one. So we just talked about base times height. 3 by 3, that would be 9. And then I could do 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. So those are the couple of ways. Okay, good. Hannah, you started drawing this. Are you doing the 12 one?
Yes.
Okay, so you want it 12 by 1. So go ahead and get the rest on there. Okay.
I'll do,
Good, Kayla. That's looking good. Is your height 2?
Yeah.
Very nice. Where else are you going to put your sides?
Right here.
Good. Uh-huh. Now, it can be set up differently. You don't have to do it exactly like I did because you can put the 2 sides next to each other, but that's an easy way to do it. How are you doing, Tyler?
Good. I'm doing my calculations.
Oh, good. Okay. Doing the calculations before you draw it?
Well, I was just getting the first couple done.
So you already know your formulas. Good. Very good.
So to find the surface area, we just multiply all of these together?
Yes. But you remember, I want you to build it too.
Yeah,
So I
but
want
we
you to
only
get
build
the
one
idea of
each,
it.
right? Okay.
Now this will be a nice check for you because when you build your solid, you can then turn it over and say, okay, yeah, the area of the base is 6,
Yeah.
and my height is 6, and then see if it works out.
Got it. Okay.
Okay?
Would you like to start that?
Yes. Yeah. Do you have your shape formed?
Oh.
Yeah. You want to draw it on here before you cut it. Draw it before you cut it.
Wait, Miss, how do you do this? So it's like 4 by 3. How do you do the 3?
Okay. So you want to start drawing it on your net.
Which one are you doing?
Okay.
C.
So you're doing 4 by 3. So you want a base of 4 by 3. So go ahead and put that in. It's easier if you put it in the center. I gave you lots of room there.
What do you mean 4 by 3?
So you want to draw
Square thing?
a rectangle that's 4 by 3. Good, Angel. So that's going to be our base. Okay? Now, from that, you want to build sides that are, when you fold them up, will be 3 high. So how far out on each side are you going to go?
12. Oh, wait, to make it like.
I want it so when you fold it up like this, it's going to be 3 high.
Oh. So I just go up 3 then?
Yeah, very good. Nice. And so always keep it in the center in case you want to build off of it for the top and bottom. Just, you can do it right from there, but it's a little bit harder. So you can go ahead and try that. That'll work. Omar, how are you doing?
What would we do for here?
Okay, so for B, our dimensions are 3 by 2 by 6. So you're going to put that here, 3 by 2 by 6. Now, are you doing B, Omar?
I'm doing
E. Okay, so let's go down to E for you. So it's 3 by 4 by 2. So those are your dimensions, 3 by 4 by 2. Okay, now what I want you to do is on this paper, just like you told me to build the square, I want you to build 3 by 4, and you did. Very nice, that's good. Now we want a height of 2.
Oh, C.
So where are you going to put your height at 2?
You need to be.
Where do you want to build your height?
Need to be.
Nice, yes. Good job. Very good. Okay, now we need 4 sides, right? Because it's going to make a box. So just kind of like what you did here, you need 1, 2, 3, 4. So go ahead and get the 4 on there.
so then after
Okay, now what's missing? We have the sides and the bottom. What's missing?
the other base.
The other base. Excellent. So you can build on the other base any place you want. On the board, I did mine here, but you could do it here. You just need another one of these somewhere off of one of the sides. And I don't care which way you put it. Where would you like to?
I'm right here.
Okay, good. And then you're ready to cut it out. And then you want to get it all taped together. Angel, you ready to start cutting?
Yeah.
I think you are, so go ahead and cut it out. There's two scissors here for you guys. Ryan, yes.
I have a question about the height. Like, how
Yes.
do you make the height? Because if you have 3 by 2, then
So my height is going to fold off the side.
Is it gonna look like this?
this is what it.
Okay, so I have my base here. So my heights, what we did was this. Was we folded the heights from here. But notice I could have put the height over here too, couldn't I? Anything so that when I format it. All right, so you guys are all ready to fill. Very good. So Katya, how are you going to tell how many to put in that? Can you speak up? I can't hear you. Count them? Okay. You can kind of jiggle it and they'll fall in. Now, Gerardo, you're filling yours up too. Do you have any idea how much it's going to hold?
Yes, the same size, right?
Uh-huh.
For the area.
So you're going to do the area of the base and what?
Yes, base, main same side.
Oh, good. Very good. And that's going to tell you what to put in it. Very good. So we count it or we can fill it up like that. How are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing fine.
You're doing fine?
I'm just kind of
Yours is-
shaking it.
You're what?
I'm just shaking them into place.
Yeah, if you kind of like jiggle it a little, they'll fall in. And then make sure you record what your volume is and what your surface area is on your worksheet. How's yours coming?
It's pretty good.
Yeah? Nice. You're almost there. How many are you expecting to go in there?
Probably 24.
24? I think you're right. Now before you dismantle it, make sure that you share with the rest of the people in your group how many were in yours and what your area was.